Hello everyone, welcome to the channel SRS. This is Sumit and we'll study D flip-flop today. We have already studied SR flip-flop and JK flip-flop. So now today D flip-flop. It's a single input flip-flop and we'll follow this first, second, third and fourth parts. That is work order. In work order, D and output. Now possible inputs are 0 and 1. As D flip-flop is a buffer flip-flop, so for 0 output will remain as 0 and for 1 output will remain as 1. And that's it. Second, that is characteristic table. In characteristic table, this is QT, this is D, and this will be QT plus 1. So 0 work with 0 and 1, and 1 work with 0 and 1. So now 0, if D is 0, as we know, we have studied from the work order only. If D is 0, output will be 0, D is 1, output will be 1. Similarly, again, if D is 0, output will be 0, 1 is, D is 1, output will be 1. We'll fill it up 0 and 1. So this is the characteristic table. Now, considering the third part, that is excitation table. In excitation table, that is QT transits to QT plus 1 and will D fill it up as D. 0 to 0 transition can occur, 0 to 1 transition can occur, 1 to 0 transition can occur, and 1 to 1 transition can occur. So while considering this, from 0 to 0 is the only possible condition, that is 0. So 0. From 0 to 1, only possible condition is 1. 1 to 0, only possible condition is 0, 0 and 1 to 1, that's 1, so that's 1. So this is excitation table. And the fourth part is characteristic table. So it's very simple. Obviously, QT and D, QT plus 1, so again QT plus 1. It depends on QT and D, 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So QT plus 1, 0 for 0 0 it's 0, for 0 1 it's 1, for 1 0 it's 0, for 1 1 it's 1. So we'll pair it and QT plus 1 will give us D as expected, as it is a buffer. It's a buffer. I'll write it again. QT plus 1 is D. So this is obviously it's a buffer flip-flop. Whatever is at the input, it will be at the output. That is what is buffer. So it's a simple buffer. This is all from D flip-flop, and in the next part, it is D flip-flop is also known as buffer flip-flop, and T flip-flop. In the next class, we will study T flip-flop. It will be toggle flip-flop. So till then, goodbye. Consider subscribing, like, comment, share, comments, whatever is the doubt. Thank you.